సంజయ్ గారు మీరు లాస్ట్ టైం మై నేమ్ ఇస్ శృతి సినిమాతో వచ్చారు. ఇప్పుడు 105 అంటే అన్ని హీరోయిన్ ఓరియంటెడ్ సినిమాలే చేస్తున్నారు. ఎందుకు రీజన్?
యూ డోంట్ లైక్ మీ ఇన్ ఫీమేల్ ఓరియంటెడ్ ఫిల్మ్స్?
అంటే మీ ఇంకా
I'm growing, no, sir.
ఇప్పటికీ మీరు చాలా గ్లామర్ గా ఉన్నారు కదా.
I think over the years, almost I've completed more than 50 films. You've seen me in all kinds of shades. High time I do performance-oriented role. And when I'm getting offered films like that, why not? I feel very privileged that, scripts come to me now where I can, do a female-oriented and, my directors, my producers, my audience thinks that, yes, I can carry a film like this. So, yes, that's the reason that I want to do. And I'm getting good scripts, so why not?
ఓకే, విష్ యూ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.
Thank you.
Hanska ji.
I remember you.
So, trailer looks tremendous. You look gorgeous.
Thanks. Ay, how's my saree?
Ah.
Good, no? 5 minutes I changed just for you guys. They put a lot of pressure on me, Baba.
My question is, your kid in Koi Mil Gaya. Hrithik sir film releasing on 26th. Fighter.
You liked me, na? You thought I'm nice, na? Why are you asking such a question to me?
Your kid in Koi Mil Gaya movie.
Ah.
Hrithik sir's next film, upcoming film, Fighter, is going to releasing on 26th. మీ సినిమా కూడా అదే రోజు రిలీజ్. ఎలా ఉంది ఫీల్?
Super.
ఏమైనా కాంపిటీషన్ ఇస్తారా?
Ayo, what competition? Every film should do great at box office. Every film should just make money. I wish best for every film. I will never say my film should do 10 crores or 15 crores. Arey yaar, everyone should make money. We all are doing hard work. Everyone should just be happy. And the box office should speak for every damn film. Honestly.
When will you do a commercial film in Telugu?
अरे यार, अभी तो जर्नी शुरू हुई है मेरी फिल्म और फीमेल ओरिएंटेड. थोड़ा चलने दो, आ जाऊंगी.
All the best.
Thank you.